Lesson 2. Authors and their language. Complete the given crossword by filling in the name of language in which each of the following writers wrote his or her books. 1. William Shakespeare. English. 2. Premchand. Hindi. 3. Leo Tolstoy. Russian. 4. Valmiki. Sanskrit. 5. Mirza Ghalib. Urdu. 6.
Joe Saramago.
Portuguese. 7. Franz Kafka. German. 8. Rabindranath Tagore.
Bengali.
9. Subramanya Bharti. Tamil. 10. Pratibha Ray. Odia.